Hey guys, this is Hedgie with Hedgie's Happy Campers Club, campers in Clarksville, Indiana. My number is 502-500-6196. Guys, look what I got here. 2018 Vegas by Thor. This is a great little motorhome, 25-foot motorhome. It's a model 25.2, which is a great floor plan. It's got the one slide coming out of the back of the coach. I'll show you here in just a minute. Little motorhome, guys. It's only 7 foot wide for a Class A. Class A's are normally 8 foot wide. So it's just a nice little motorhome. Got a V10 in it, low miles. It's only got 15,000 miles. Really good shape. Needs a bath. We just got it. Hadn't been cleaned up yet. But if somebody's looking for a really inexpensive small Class A that holds 6, this might be the ticket. It's priced right. It's got decent outside storage. It's got really good inside storage. And it's got a great floor plan, guys. Again, it sleeps 6. Small. It's not much bigger than like a Class C. Okay, in fact, it's probably smaller than, like, say, a 30-foot Class C. So, 25.2 Vegas. Okay, 25 foot. Got 15,000 miles on it. Good little motorhome. If somebody, not wanting to spend an arm and a leg, and they want something, decent that the family can take on vacation. We'll walk inside and show you around inside. But I think it's probably one of the neatest little Class A's that's out there. I walk in. Right here, you see you got a sleeper sofa there. There's your table. Okay, everything's kind of compact because, again, this is just a little 25-footer. That folds down, okay. You got a bed up here that comes down from the ceiling. That's actually a good-sized bed. Good storage. Good counter space. More storage. Okay, nice size fridge. There's your microwave down there. You've got a nice hall closet here with a double mirror that opens up. Drawers underneath. Again, this thing's only 7 foot wide. So it's going to go places that a lot of Class A's won't go. It's going to be a lot easier to drive if this is somebody's first motorhome, especially for the price. This is going to be a good one. I'm looking around here. This is your queen size bed that goes out the back, which is what I really like, because when it comes in, it comes into here, but you still got a bed. Very nice, good mattress. Nightstands on each side. Nice accent lighting up there. Lots of windows. Got a nice bedroom TV. Guys, come in and take a look at this. Again, it's priced right. Low miles, 15,000 miles. It's just a little 25-foot Class A. Just a small motorhome. If this is one, guys, give me a call, 502-500-6196. If this is not the one, let me know what you're looking for. I've got everything from little pop-ups to $1 million motorhomes and everything in between. So if it's out there, I've got it. Just taking another quick look here. Give me a call, guys, 502-500-6196. Hedgie's Happy Campers Club. Campers in Clarksville, Indiana. 502-500-6196, guys. This thing won't last long. Small, good shape, great price. Give me a call.